Hello everyone, let's make hair growth butter together. You can use this hair growth butter on your hair whenever you're combing your hair, and it can also help you to retain a lot of length and minimize hair breakage. To make this hair growth butter is not difficult and can also be used on kids. So if you want to learn how to make yours, please keep on watching and do well to subscribe. First of all, you need shea butter. You can see how good my shea butter is looking. So I'm going to be putting 3 cups of that into my bowl. Next is oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Over here I'm using the Goya olive oil and I just added 1 cup of it. Next is my hair growth oil. The link will be in the description box down below if you want to learn how to make your own hair growth oil. This hair growth oil is packed with lots of nutrients that will help your hair grow and also minimize hair breakage. Next is emulsifying wax, or some people call it wax. I'm going to be using 4 different herbs to make this hair growth butter. The first one is moringa powder, 2 tablespoons. Next is chebe powder, 2 tablespoons. Neem powder, 2 tablespoons. And rosemary leaf, 2 tablespoons. But as for the rosemary leaf, I had to blend it into powder form or into smaller pieces so that we can extract the nutrients properly. You can still make use of your fresh rosemary leaf in case you don't have dry rosemary leaf. Just get your chopping board and knife and chop it into smaller pieces. Then you pour it into your bowl of mixture. Next, we're going to be melting this. And of course, over here we do double boiling method. We don't do direct heat. Okay, in case you're the type of person that is used to direct heat, please, you're going to kill all the nutrients, all the vitamins. So we use double boiling method here. It's going to take a little bit time, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, it will take a little bit time for all those things to melt, especially the emulsifying wax and the shea butter. But once it's done melting, this is what it will look like. Next, we are going to allow this to cool down a little bit because it's very hot. Then we'll start separating the herb from the oil itself. So I'm going to be using this my weave-on cap, clean weave-on cap please, not used weave-on cap, to extract the oil. Then I'll transfer it into another bigger bowl where we'll be mixing the hair growth butter. If you are new and haven't subscribed already, please take your time, like right now, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on post notification bell so that you don't miss when I upload new videos like this. Over here we do hair care content, strictly how to take care of our hair, especially as a black woman or as a black man, as a black person. As long as you're a black human being, this YouTube channel is for you. Okay, let's grow our hair together. As for the remaining herbs inside the weave-on cap, we can still make use of it when formulating another hair growth butter, so don't throw it away please. You can still make use of it after the second round, then you can get rid of it. Next thing we are going to be doing right now is to put this oil blend into the refrigerator so that it can solidify. Okay, just a little bit, don't allow it to block, because if it blocks, it will be a little bit difficult for you to mix it together with your mixer, with your whisking machine. Of course, we need whisking machine over here, but if you don't have a whisking machine, I think you can use a spatula. It's just that you will not get the same consistency like mine. You just have to keep on mixing it. You know the way they turn eba, if you're Nigerian or if you're from any close by African country, you understand what I'm talking about. The way they turn eba, you have to keep on turning it until everything is properly mixed. But I guarantee you that you'll get a better result if you invest in whisking machine please. While I'm still mixing this, let me give you a small gist. Guys, I took down my 90 days healthy hair growth challenge hair, but guess what, I carried this hairstyle for over 100 days. You know, like I planned it. Of course, life happened. I got too busy at a point, delivering products, creating content, and all of that. Guys, I retained a lot of length. Like, I retained a lot of length, and I can't wait to share with you all. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people are so surprised. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss when I upload the video. As a matter of fact, I'm going to upload the video on Thursday. Today, Tuesday, I will drop this particular hair growth butter, so that on Thursday I will drop that other video. But if you want me to drop the video of the results after the hair growth challenge tomorrow Wednesday, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll be waiting for you all in the comment section. Right now I'm pouring in my vitamin E oil and my essential oils. So my vitamin E oil is very important, and that's because it's going to keep your product fresh, and it's also an antioxidant. It's not a preservative, right? It is an antioxidant. So if you are to use a preservative, that means the product contains water, and this product doesn't contain any water, just oil-based product. Okay, there won't be need for me to use the mixing machine since it's just the essential oils and vitamin E oil that I poured in here. That's why I'm using only the spatula to mix this up. And we have come to the end of today's video. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you even doing? Like, what are you even doing? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on post notification bell so that you don't miss when I upload new videos like this. Okay, over here we grow our hair together. Like I said, this is our YouTube channel, me and you YouTube channel. So that is it for the video. Share to your loved ones, and of course click the like button so that YouTube can promote this video to more audience. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next upload. Bye.